other people that lived, like, say, yeah. There was one woman that lived, like, out of Hamburg, too. Good morning from San Salvador Monastery in Mallorca, Spain. It is about 6 a.m. in the morning. We're here to shoot sunrise and share with you in this video some of our wedding photos, which we just got yesterday. They look absolutely amazing. And Nellie and I cannot wait for you to see some of them because they're fucking awesome. And it all starts right now. Let's go. Testing 1, 2. All right, welcome back to our beautiful morning here in San Salvador, Mallorca. We're on the top of this this hill overlooking as far as you can see, basically. We can see the coast on the east side, and we can see all the way to the northwest as well. So beautiful, beautiful view from up here. 6 a.m. in the morning, nobody here, so perfect time to be taking some photos. As you guys know, being mostly landscape, wildlife, travel, outdoor photography enthusiasts. All right, I'm not gonna get too crazy at 6 in the morning. What I wanted to make this video about really is the wedding photos, because we got them yesterday. The photographer Dirk did a fantastic job, absolutely stunning work. The edits are incredible, and I mentioned him a couple videos back, and Nellie and I found him because he was recommended by one of our friends, and he just did such a good job. These photos are incredible, and this is the best place to share them with you. So Nellie and I both wanted to kind of make a selection of what we think are some of our favorites and put them here in this video, and kind of give you an idea of what that day looked like, because our wedding a couple weeks back was just fantastic, an absolutely amazing experience. Perfect day, couldn't have been any better for us. Like, the weather was fantastic, the people got along really well. You know, we had 66 people, nice kind of cultural melting pot, and it just went perfectly. The food was really good and the dancing was crazy, so we had a awesome night, and these photos will give you an idea of what that was like. So hope you enjoy them. Here are some of our favorites from our wedding. Testing 1, 2, by far the best view of this monastery is from the drone. That was a very, very cool flight, so I hope you enjoyed some of that footage here this morning. Got the 70-200, the Canon EF lens on the Sony a7R5 to capture this amazing subject. That's been, you know, what we've been filming all morning basically is that old cross up on the hill, and I'm getting just an incredible background. You can see way, way off in the distance is the northwest tip of Mallorca, which is a very popular spot for photography as well. But this spot is like unbelievable. Getting a really, really nice image here with side light coming across, capturing the trees. Got the soft grad on the front just to dampen out that hazy background. And I think I'll really be able to emphasize the orange and the red in this scene and get just a beautiful photo. So very, very happy with that. And yeah, nice start to today in Mallorca. This is our mini moon. So we're celebrating a bit of the post-wedding with my family that are here from Canada, and Nellie and I spending quality time with them and allowing them to spend a bit more time with Matteo as well, because they don't get to see him too often. So we've been here for 10 days and we're going to explore a little bit more of the island before heading back to Hamburg, and then my family's heading back to Canada. So this is not the official honeymoon, it's just the mini moon. The actual honeymoon we will do in South Australia, which is where we got together. We actually met in Darwin on the very first day I arrived in Australia. If you guys didn't know that story, that's kind of a cool one. But we're going to go to South Australia for our official honeymoon, which will happen probably in the winter time, our winter, so that it's summer there, which would be nice. But this video, we're going to end now, and it's been a good trip here in Mallorca. So I think we're head back, get some coffee, get some breakfast, and then next video will be back in the city. Going to head back to Hamburg, do a bit more architecture stuff, and share a little bit more with you about upcoming trips as well. So lots to look forward to there. But from right here, right now, some beautiful shots of a beautiful island at sunrise. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.